So, a couple of things. Managed to pick up a step drill. Went to one place, and then for what's it, size 3, 5mm up to 30. I wanted €33 for a step drill. I went, not a mission am I buying that. So, Mrs. wanted to go to another shop, so I thought, oh, I'll just have a wander around, have a mooch about. And I thought, tool section, oh, let's have a look, you never know. And I did. Couldn't believe it. I picked one up. In fact, I picked 3 up for €18. And it comes in a snazzy pouch. Couldn't believe it. So unfortunately, they only go in even sizes. So we're going to have to drill out to a 22. I don't think it'll make much difference. So that's a result. So you'll see me doing that later. A bit impromptu this one. I hadn't planned to do it this evening. But anyway. Got a beer. This one's been sat a while. In fact, it says I'll drink now, and I've had it about 2 months. So, what is it? It's Frank's Killer Oatmeal Stout. So it's definitely got oatmeal in it. Don't know what else is in it. Is it 3.5%? Hope so. Open one of these up a bit earlier and it was a bit lively. So we'll just have to be and glasses minging. Go steady with a pull. Pulled the missus one. It was a bit dead, and then I got a bit vigorous with the last pull. Last pull wasn't a big mistake. That'll do. Anyway, see what this is like. I drunk the other, was it the Black Rye IPA off camera last night. Oh, cracking beer. Very nice. So, it's stout coloured. Not much of a stout smell off it. Dig in. Ooh. Oh, a bit gassy too. Yeah, picking up the chocolate in that, definitely nice and thick. Just the way to start off the evening. Nice pint of stout. It's just out the fridge, probably too cold. Getting a bit of chocolate. Well, you can find it coating your mouth and your tongue. And you can find that the kind of roasty malt then coming through as well. Ooh, I'm going to let that warm up a bit, it's too cold. So, yes, as you know, doing the panel. Last week I got sidetracked because I needed a step drill. I couldn't be arsed going buying another hole cutter. It'd probably take 2 weeks. I knew I could pick up one of these fairly locally quick, and I have. So you're going to see me now drill out the rest of the holes, make sure I have to drill holes for the bottom for, so I need a 25, or is that sort of 25, 2 25s, so that's the step drill, come in handy for that. And 1, 2, 3, 4 20s I think. Yeah, so I'll use the punch for those. Out of the bottom, which is no problem. Just thinking how I'm gonna without hacking it like I did on for the time clock. Because that needs to be slightly bigger to put the profile around it. You get a nice neat edge. Probably do the same as I did last time, butcher it, but do it more neatly this time. So I'll stop waffling and I'll get stuck in. See you shortly. As you can see, I have the new step cutter. Just did one hole. Works a treat. Start cutting the others. Nice and easy cut. Stop switch, on off switch, element switch, and pump switches. Now fits. I did this one initially, but I don't have a 20mm light to check, so I'm not going to do the others until I get one of these out, and then I'll cut the rest. So I need to cut these out now, and then I have to do cable entry holes at the bottom. So we're getting there. another drill, another one packed up. So let's drill a few holes. Right, we have the holes drilled for the cables out, hole drilled for the cable in. So there'll be glands going on there. Holes for the switches made bigger. Unsure yet of the 20mm. It's only a matter of running the step drill through them. We now have the PID holes cut. Some of the tape's coming adrift. I think this is going to get painted because it's going to look a bit tatty here and there. Anyway, still have to drill the hole for this. That will probably be done once everything is almost ready to switch over. 2 holes are made bigger for the switches, the same again for the lights, left at 20mm. On switch, emergency stop switch. Voltage meter hole is cut, time clock hole is cut, and on the side we have a hole cut and drilled to mount a fan. On the side you get, I'm going to have to place another hole somewhere, which may be here for in draft, because it's an IP rated box. Obviously it's going to be sealed, unlike this one where there's gaps everywhere and it just draws the air through. So yeah, I'm going to probably have to drill, probably put a push fan and a pull fan, so it pushes in air at the bottom, pulls air out at the top. Plus there's going to have to be a fan for this, because that generates a lot of heat, so definitely going to need a couple of fans. So there's a fan on that, there's a fan there that can be used, and there's a fan there that's used anyway, so I'm okay in that. So once I'm pulling it all apart, this one's slightly smaller, right enough. I do have, because that one's got the grill, it's got more blades, I'll reuse that one. So as you can see, we are coming along. So that'll be all for this week. Spent 3 hours on it today. We're getting there. I'd say if bits turn up within the next week or so, I'll be able to cut that, and then I'll be able to paint it, because I don't want to cut the hole for this again. I've got a different one coming and it's smaller as far as I'm aware, so that will get cut last, second last. Anyway, that's it, end of part 3. Next one will be, I presume, inside. Yes, it will. So I'll see you then. Cheers.